network? This is a question I get all of the time for brand new entrepreneurs. So I'm going to break down 4 simple steps to building a network that will help you grow your business. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ryan Dowdy and I am a sales coach. I help high achieving women leave their 9-to-5 and grow 6-figure businesses by mastering their sales conversations and their mindset. And depending on where you are in your journey and what kind of service you provide as an entrepreneur, it's very possible that building a network isn't something you've ever been tasked with in the past, right? It's not something you've had to do before, but you know or you've heard that it's super, super important in your business. So I'm going to give you some actionable tips about how to grow a network. First tip. Decide, what do you want to be known for? What is important to you? Essentially, building a network is about, what do people say about you when you leave the room? What people are like, ooh, you need to meet that person because of ABC, right? Like, what do you want to be known for? So an example for me, obviously, I am known for sales, right? Anytime somebody says they have a sales problem in their business, there are an army of people that will be like, oh my gosh, you need to have a conversation with Ryan Dowdy. Sales is her jam. So what do you want to be known for? And the reason that I want you to start here, even if you're a brand new business owner, right? Even if you haven't necessarily decided on what your niche is and all those other things, deciding what you want to be known for is important because we want to be memorable. We want people to think of us. We want this network to be able to help us grow and to introduce us to the right people. So say, for instance, you're a virtual assistant and you haven't necessarily decided on exactly what services that you want to offer. That's okay, right? You want to be known for being a virtual assistant. Say you are a health coach and you haven't necessarily decided, do I only want to work with women over 40 or do I want to work with anybody that has over 20 pounds to lose, right? It's okay to just be known as someone who specializes in weight loss. So don't get hung up on the idea of, I haven't chosen my niche yet, I'm not 100% sure. Doesn't matter. Decide, what do you want to be known for? Second tip, now that you know what you want to be known for, is we need to go out in the world and we need to meet people. That is literally what building a network is, right? It is about people. It is about having other people know what you do. I truly believe that the more people who know what you do, the more people you talk to, the more money you will make and the more successful your business will be. So to grow a network, you have to go out in the world and tell everyone in the world what you do. Meet people and tell them, I'm a virtual assistant. Meet people and tell them, I'm a health coach. Meet people and tell them, I'm a digital marketer. Meet people and tell them, I am a life coach. That is how we build a network, right? By going out, meeting people, telling them what we do, and then building relationships, right? So decide what you want to be known for, and then go out in the world and meet people and tell them what that is. Oversimplification, I know, but sometimes we're like, but I don't know how to do that or where to do that. It doesn't matter, guys. Do it online. Do it in person. Doesn't matter. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter. I don't care. In-person networking events, virtual networking events, going out into the world and telling people I am a sales coach. That is a really important part of building a network. And then the third part of building a network is to provide value to that network. How can you provide value to other people? How can you give them advice? How can you make their life better? And this doesn't, again, always have to be business related, right? So maybe you are a health coach and you help people who, have more than 20 pounds to lose, but somebody is looking for a referral to a virtual assistant and you know a virtual assistant or your sister's a virtual assistant and you're saying, hey, I want to connect these two people. That's a great way to provide value. Right? Maybe you had a conversation with a girlfriend yesterday about weight loss, and then you heard a podcast that you were like, oh my gosh, this is 100% what we were talking about last night, and you should listen to this, right? There are 1,000,001 ways to provide value to your audience, but for me, it's how can I make people's lives better? What can I send someone a message and give them or tell them or share with them that has nothing to do with me? To me, that is my definition of providing value. So decide what you want to be known for, go out and talk to people, provide value, and then the final piece of building your network is becoming a connector. My goal in building a network is being that person that people come to because they know I know people. Hey Ryan, I need an accountant. Hey Ryan, I need a health coach. Hey Ryan, I need a virtual assistant. Hey Ryan, I'm looking for a life coach. Do you know anyone? That is becoming a connector. That is when you know that you have hit networking pay dirt. When people start coming to you to ask you for introductions and referrals to people that you don't know or people that aren't in your wheelhouse. That is what is really about building a network. You may have heard before that your network is your net worth, right? Being able to go through your social media contacts, your Rolodex, whatever it is, and say, yes, I have a connection for you is really where the magic starts to happen because that's when those referrals come back to you, right? If they're thinking about you as the person who knows everyone, they're also thinking of you as the expert in what you do. Being the expert in who you are, being the expert in the service that you provide, Having a network is one of the most powerful things that you will do as a business owner. So whether that network is providing you referrals, whether that network is providing you introductions, whether that network becomes your clients, the more people who know what you do, the more people that you talk to, the more money you will make in your business. So if you're ready to start networking, I want to invite you to come join us in the Ambitious Women Entrepreneurs Mastering Sales Skills community. At the time of this recording, there's about 5,000 women in that community that would love to network and connect with you and get you started on this. If Instagram is your jam, you can follow us over at Uncensored Sales. If you love TikTok, I've got short tips for you there at Uncensored Sales. And then I have a fantastic list of 15 income producing activities that you can start doing today in your business that require no tech, no fancy pants, anything other than going out and talking to people. You can click the link below and download that, and we'll see you in the next video.